My name is Dave Glowacki, and I am one of the instructors who will teach the FAR Overview course. This training workshop introduces new acquisition personnel to the document that governs the federal acquisition process, the Federal Acquisition Regulation, or FAR. Participants will gain an understanding of the FAR system, its underlying basis, and become familiar with the structure and content of the FAR. Typically, students who take this course are federal contracting and technical personnel interested in obtaining a fundamental knowledge of the FAR. In addition to covering the FAR, we will also address parts of the NASA FAR supplement. At the end of the course, you will be able to explain the origins of the FAR and its layout, describe its application to federal procurements, and locate pertinent information. Thank you, and I, along with my fellow instructors, look forward to seeing you in class.